angel. Girl, I know it's true. Sent from heaven to do the things you do for me. You understand me like nobody can, making me wanna be a better man. I know it's true. Girl, it's you. You are an angel. You are so beautiful with your long black hair. You are so beautiful.
Happy birthday, God bless you, and then sana maging masaya ka dyan. And good luck sa fashion show natin. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday, Amo! Mall, birthday to Kam.
Tikwatik to! Hello po, kamusta? Happy birthday! Good luck na lang po sa fashion show. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Ezra!
Happy birthday! And
God bless!
Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Es. Kamusta ka na dyan? Pang-apat na to. Happy birthday na lang. Tapos, God bless you. Tapos, yung sana maging matagumpay ang fashion show mo dyan. At saka, kamusta na lang sa mga ano mo, sa tatay at saka sa nanay mo. At saka sa lahat-lahat ng mga kamag-anak mo dyan. Regards na lang. At God bless you all. Good morning or good night dyan. Bye! Bahala.
Hi, Es. Happy birthday.
Nakakayang pa ako.
Regards to the family and God bless and congrats to the fashion show.
Happy birthday! Ingat po!
Ezra.
Happy birthday, Ezra.
Happy birthday to you. What
Everybody.
Hi,
What's the size
Es.
of this?
Ah,
The same?
good morning or good afternoon dyan.
The same
Happy birthday.
Okay, so you just show this one to
Ano pa?
Good luck
sa show.
What's the size?
Good luck sa show mo. Sana maging matagumpay ang show mo dyan.
Okay.
Kumusta na lang sa mga pamilya mo at mga friend mo dyan?
Kamusta na? Happy birthday. God bless you.
Hello po, good morning, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Regards to the family. Flying kiss, Jibo, flying kiss. Yay! Flying kiss. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Yay!
Don't matter cause you're perfect in my book. You know it's true. Girl, it's you. You are an angel.
Birthday to you. May you have many more birthdays to come. God bless you and good luck to you. Okay, take care. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Ezra.
Happy birthday. God bless and God luck. Thank you. Happy birthday! Yun lang? Yun lang?
Yes, kamusta ka na? Sana masaya ka dyan sa fashion show. Kamusta na lang sa family mo dyan. Happy birthday ulit. Thank you. God bless. Happy birthday. And good luck sa fashion show mo. Sana palagi ka mag-iingat dyan. Kumusta sa family mo. Miss na namin kay ikaw. I love you. Miss you, and God bless you. Yes, good morning. Happy birthday. At saka po, good luck po sa fashion show nyo dyan. Miss na po namin kayo. Ingat po kayo lagi. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
You understand me like nobody can, making me wanna be a better man. I know it's true. Girl, it's you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, Isra Hussain.
Okay.
Happy congratulations.
Happy congratulations.
Congratulations. Happy birthday to you, Arbab. Thank you.
Say you got your flaws. Tell me you can't cook. That don't matter, 'cause you're perfect in my book. You know it's true. Girl, it's you. You are an angel. Sent from heaven to do the things you do.
Happy birthday! Nawa ay maging matagumpay ang lakad mo at nawa ay magkaroon ka ng happy long life. Happy birthday, regards sa family, lalo-lalo na kay mama at kay papa mo at sa mga kapatid mo. Miss ka na namin. Miss na ka na namin talaga. I love you!
Girl, it's you. You're an angel. You know it's true. Girl, it's you.
Hi, Es! Happy birthday! Sana maging matagumpay ang fashion show dyan. Sana lahat ng wish mo matupad. Regards lahat sa family mo. Thanks!
Es, happy birthday! Kamusta na? Ingat! Okay.
Hello, Isra. Assalamualaikum. Happy birthday. Wishing you a long life. Allah may bless you.
Pedro!
Pedro, say happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ow, ow, ow!
Say happy birthday!
Andiyan
Happy
nakatulog ko.
birthday!
Ezra, happy birthday, and I hope and I'm sure you're enjoying your stay there in New York with your family. I also like to pray that always that you will be able to achieve all your goals and plans in life, may it be personal or in your career. And I'd just like to say God bless you and say hello to your family, your mom and dad, and to your brother Cyril. See you soon.
Hi Ezra, happy birthday, and may you have many more birthdays to come. God bless.
Hello, Es. Happy birthday. May God bless you always. Hi to Mamsi, Papsi, and Edna, and to all other your family there. Good luck. Bye.
Hi, Ezra! Happy major birthday! Good luck sa show! God bless!
Hi, happy birthday.